guess what?
What?
I'm gonna call up Austin.
What?
Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to, but I just thought that I would. Hey, Austin.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Well, I'm great. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm calling you from the office.
No way. I stole my counselor's cell phone. You know the number I gave you? Yeah, I'm out in the middle of the field.
Really?
Yeah.
What field?
It's the one where Pioneer used to be. They have no idea I'm out here.
Oh yeah, I think I see you.
Really?
Yeah. Hi.
I think I see you too.
I think there's someone behind you.
Nah, don't worry about it. We're at Cruson Bible Camp. Anything could happen out here.
It looks like a big white van though.
Nah.
And they're coming pretty fast, Austin.
You're lying again.
Longtemps que l'enfant.